So here we have a football. I found the center, checked it as best I could, and you just twist it and try to make an indentation just to make sure that you're in a good position. You can see how that's cutting into the ball. You want to keep it straight as possible. So I like to get it in so we have good support, because I think a lot of the times when cups are falling off, part of it is that the ball doesn't have enough support inside, which makes this more flexible. So now the pipe is about here. Once you've gotten this far, you don't need to take it out like I did in the other video. You can actually just take your crazy glue and just hold this down and then glue around the perimeter. You just glue around the perimeter like that. You can, in fact, I suggest you pull it out a little, glue the pipe itself, and then stick it in real fast, because not this one, but the Gorilla Super Glue is amazing with foam. It sticks really quickly and it's really strong. So if you're using that, I suggest you pull it out, glue around, and push it in real quick so that it doesn't stick halfway in there and then you have loose bits on the inside, because the hole that you created is just another weak spot for the inside of the football. So there you have it. I hope that answers any questions that you all might have. But yeah, that's it. So let me know what you think and make sure you subscribe. And I'll put the link to the previous video with the regular ball right here.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the bell button and subscribe.